YouTube, this is Real Tech Now 101. Today I'm going to show you how to hack more complicated games such as the one I got here, Gun Club 3. Some games that are more complicated, you can't just give yourself $1 million and expect that to work. Some more complicated games actually care about their own money. So if I click on Gun Club 3, it will take a while to learn this. For those of you who already know how to do this and have watched my previous video, you can figure this out. If not, keep watching. The idea behind this is if I editing the money itself does not work, but I can edit the price of the object. And it's very simple. It's like the same thing. But if I edit the price of the object, it will let me buy it anything I want for $2. So that's the idea behind this, because they protected the money. The money is untouchable. But if you make the money worth so much that it's basically infinite, I mean, it's the same thing. The only problem with this is you have to, every purchase you make, you have to go through Game Killer. You have to go through a 10-second routine with Game Killer. That does get kind of annoying, but hey, you're making pretty epic guns, so I don't mind. So once this loads, should load right about now. Okay, come on. It's being a little slow because I got my screen recorder on here. Okay, so I'm gonna start out here. My other video, how you'd regularly do Game Killer. I'm gonna show you how you regularly do it. You go 10696. You type in the number of the money. That's how much money. The bigger the number, the better, because this is going through every number in the game through the whole script. So the bigger number is increase that there won't be that same number somewhere else in the code that does not relate to the money thing, or the thing you want to change. So what you would regularly do is you hit that and you hit auto identify, but that would bring you to a number that's too great, because I don't have that much money. So I'm gonna hit word. I know dword doesn't work. I tried that in my last video. Didn't work. Did I publish it? No. So I'm going to hit search, and hopefully it will come up with... Okay, it didn't. Dang. I was really hoping for that. Okay, let's try float. It's not really going to work. I've never had float work. This worked earlier, which was really weird. Oh, hey, maybe. Okay, so let's try 50,000, and you hit OK. Go back here and you hit next, it might come up to 50,000. Okay, just kidding, it won't. But if you get the right number and you come up here, it'll say 50,000 for about half a second, then it'll just scroll right back down. So that doesn't work, and obviously the numbers are pretty big. The idea behind what we're doing is if you go to the dealer, okay, say I want to buy an SMG. And let's say I've already bought everything that's really worth anything. Or I've already bought the best guns anyway. I can't really buy things with coins, unfortunately. See, I've already bought that. But say I want to buy this Thompson looking thing. It's pretty awesome. So as you can see, it's 36,000. So I come over here. 36, 1, 2, 3. You hit search, and because it's a different place, it'll do that at first, but you can just hit that. I happen to know in this game, all of the prices are in dword, so you just hit dword, blah, 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 it'll come up. This has worked for me every time. Just no, it does crash every once in a while. This does increase the likelihood your game will crash, but, I mean, not right, well, it does happen right away. And sometimes it doesn't save, but it saves most of it. Anyway, you go to data control, modify all values, 2. Let's just say I want this to be $2. So everything changes to 2. I hit that. With this one, with buying weapons alone, it will say 36,000, the price it originally was, but if I buy with cash, charges me $2. Um, Attachments, oddly enough, will actually say the price. So if I go to GunSim, modify, and let's say I want to make that drum barrel even awesomer, or that drum mag, sorry. Let's say I want to make that drum mag even epicer. So that's $8,410. So what do? $8,410, and I hit search. If you originally do that, it'll come up with nothing. But if you just hit that again, hit D word, you're fine. Blah blah blah. Searches. Oh, look at that. Data control. Modify all values. 2. And you can do 1 if you want. I'm showing 2. And if you hit that, it'll say 2. I don't know why it does that with. It does that only with attachments, and well, the only thing it doesn't do that with are. Why is that not working? Anyway, the only thing it doesn't do that with are guns. So anything else really should work. Of course, the possibilities for this are basically endless. So you know, just a heads up, you can modify anything in the game. So really, it's very possible to hack like everything. Why is this not working? Is the safety on? This game has a lot of features that I like and a lot that I don't like. One of them involves the use of safeties. Is that a safety? Anyway, continuing on, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and have fun with this. I mean, because theoretically you can hack basically any game with this strategy. Except for figuring out how to use the stupid trigger. Oh, there we go. That was actually a nice gun. Anyway, yeah, you can hack basically any game. If you don't know this app, it's called Game Killer. You can get it on the internet. Just look up gamekiller.apk download. It's pretty easy to find. So yeah, get that, and then most games, I've tested Temple Run. I've seen like the other Temple Run, Subway Surfer that works on that. Anything like that with a limited amount of cash, and especially because it gives you a lot. Like if it's one of those games that has a lot of cash and things cost a lot, it's perfect. It's absolutely perfect, especially the small ones, because it's so easy. But if it's not like this, it's a little bit harder, but it is more fun, and obviously the games are more fun because they're bigger. Um, so thanks for watching, and have fun, because this is pretty cool stuff. Does that go forward? What in the world? Oh, maybe I have to do that first. I know you have to. Maybe you don't. That's really weird. Okay, anyway, I won't let you, I won't let you see any more of my suffering and trying to use this new gun. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you later.